to my channel Traveling Monk of India. Today we are traveling to a hill station which is not very far from Mumbai, but it is situated at around 2636 feet above sea level. And the name of this place is Mathiran. It is a captivating hill station situated at the Western Ghats mountain range of Maharashtra. It's a magnificent hill station boosted by dense green cover, pleasing atmosphere, and lush green beauty. This attracts lots of tourists from various parts of the world. The hill station also is a sublime for its very adventurous and junkies as well. Trending rock climbing and paragliding are some of the exciting adventure things that you can do out here. So uh, it's really a beautiful place. See the hillside, the hills, the rocks. These are all very beautiful, and during rainy season it is awesome. So if you can see on the right hand side, I have added a new indicator because I am riding up the hill. This is called as G force, and G force is basically to check how your G force uh, is pulling against your acceleration that you are doing right now. Because I'm climbing up, G force is will help you understand the climb um, against the acceleration. So for more details, you can check on Google about this. Now coming to the main topic, Java Perak. So while riding this bike today, uh, it's been it's been fun because if you can see me driving right now, I have been moving on through these curves. The drive of Perak on a steep climb has been a very fun drive. On top of a mountain as high as 2636 feet, it has been a very smooth drive for me. I have generally used the top gear to drive up the hill and did not find any challenges. While I was driving the bike, I leaned a lot in the curves. If you can see right in the video itself, I was driving the bike and I was feeling very confident driving this. Um, you can see there have been no issues. So right now when I'm going up the hill, you can see that my bike has gone very smoothly, and I am mostly driving in top gear. So it's the sixth gear that I have been driving on. So I didn't find any challenge. Okay, friends. So now I'm going back downhill, and it has been a very good experience to come up at the hilltop during this kind of a season. It's September, so ideally the best season to come to Mathiran is around October to December or January, February. But even September is not bad because of the rains. It looks really beautiful. Now, while going down, I wanted to talk more about my bike. The experience has been really good, that I have already discussed. Moreover, I have driven this bike for around 450 kilometers till now. This has been the third week, and my servicing date is probably 22nd of September, first service. So I'm trying to see how much I can drive. I generally drive during the weekends. So this is one of the weekend drive that I am doing today. More than that, I wanted to talk about the power. The bike has a very raw power to it, and the 32 Nm torque gives it a real power booster, and that is the reason it went up the hill very comfortably. I didn't find any challenges driving it at the top gear most of the time. Once or twice I have come down to fifth or fourth gear, nothing beyond that. I have been smoothly driving it, and fortunately there is no traffic right now. That can be one of the reasons that it performs so well. Okay, so I have some guests on the road, so I have to be cautious. Let me get out of this place. Okay, so now again going down, it is in the downhill, it's very easy. So one thing that I felt when I initially bought this bike, because of the powerful torque, I felt like it has a raw power, and if you are not very careful about it, it can get out of control. So when you start the bike, you have to be very careful that it has a very raw power, and you have to control the bike. So ideally, start slowly. Keep your clutch, keep it at half clutch while starting it, so that you can control it easily. That is what my suggestion is. Other than that, no challenges at all. um, and it has been a very fun month for me from 22nd of August when I got this bike. Initially, first day I found a little bit of challenge because of the clutch, but thanks to the team, Java team, they took care of it. The clutch has been fixed very well, and I am not finding any issues at all. Beyond that, um, they they have replaced my tank. That video I have already shared, my previous video, and that gesture has been very well taken. I saw a lot of comments where people said appreciated the effort that they have done, um, and I'm really thankful to them for that. And to talk about the bike, it has been an awesome, fun ride for me. So I am just enjoying the nature. You guys also please enjoy the nature. Uh, this is uh, this is the time actually people goes out, but because of the situation right now, people can't go out. At least you guys can see some beautiful scenes from my camera. So my request is basically, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, Traveling Monk of India, because I'll be traveling more on these roads and go to such beautiful places. um, it takes it takes good amount of time um, and effort, so please appreciate and subscribe the channel. I'll be very thankful about it. So guys, I'm down the hill to Neral, and now I am into the city, driving through the state highway and going back to my home. So please enjoy the rest of the video, have fun, and fight for yourself, guys.